Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to check all the images using Podman commands. So for checking all the images, first we need to set up the Podman. Podman setup I have already done in previous section. You can go to Podman playlist in our channel and see all the Podman related video so that you will get the better understanding of the Podman. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to check all the images present in your local system using Podman. So for checking the all the images present in the your local system, first we need to open the CMD. So for opening the CMD, we need to press Windows R button from the keyboards. So let's pressing the button from keyboards Windows plus R. In here, we need to type CMD and then we need to enter button. Now you will see CMD will open in my screen. In here, first we need to check Podman machine status. So for checking the Podman machine status, we need to use Podman machine ls command. This command will show you the machine status, how many machines you have created in your local system and that machine status. You can see in my screen only one machine is created, that name is Podman machine default. This is the machine which name is Podman machine default, and you can see this machine is now currently not running. It is stopped last 5 minutes. You can see in the last up section. Now if you are trying to check for all the images in your local system, it will not give all the images because right now Podman machine is not running. So let's check all the images using Podman images command. You can see it will not connecting to Podman system, Podman connections. You can see here it is failing, unable to connect to Podman socket because Podman machine is not running right now. So for run the Podman machine, we need to use this command Podman machine start command. This command is basically used to run the Podman machine. So let's wait until our Podman machine is not up. Let's wait 20 seconds maximum. In 20 seconds it will up. Now you can see Podman machine is up. You can check the Podman machine status by using Podman machine ls command. In here you can see last up section. Currently it is running. Now you can check all the images present in in your Podman machine. So I'm just going to use Podman images. This command basically used to see all the images present in your Podman machine. So just enter it. You will see right now only one image is available in your system. So let's pull another image in your system and then we'll check all the images so that you will get the better understanding to check all the images. Right now only one image is there, so that's why it is showing only one images. So I'm going to Chrome browser. In here typing Docker images. In the Docker images I'm going to hub.docker.com. In here I am going to search JDK like that. In here I am going to select any JDK. So you can use this command to pulling the images in the Podman. So I'm just copying these images and removing the Docker because I'm using the Podman. So that's we need to use Podman sentence in here. Podman pull. prime tonic JDK 1.7 and enter it. It will pull all it will pull the JDK 1.7 images from the Docker Hub registry and it will store in your local Podman machines. So let's wait until it is not pulled up in your system. It will take maximum 20 seconds. Let's wait 20 seconds. What happened? Why it is taking too much time? I think my internet is slow, so that's why it is taking times. Let's wait until it is not pulled up in systems. Yeah, now you can see it is pulled in my Podman machines. So let's check all the images using Podman images command. You can see there is two images available right now. So by using Podman images, you can see all the images present in your Podman machines. So in this video, I explain to check all the images present in your Podman machines. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel so that you will get the further update in upcoming session. Thank you.